In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your ClickUp Workspace, enhancing your productivity and collaboration efforts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in and break this process down step by step, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate new team members into your workspace. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you arrive at the website, you'll want to log into your personal ClickUp account using your username and password. It's crucial to confirm that you have the necessary permissions to manage workspace settings before proceeding. If you're not an admin or lacking the relevant permissions, you might need to reach out to someone who does for assistance. After you've successfully logged in, the next key step is to locate the button labeled Invite. Depending on your specific ClickUp setup, this Invite button might typically be found on your main dashboard or within the workspace settings. Think of the Invite button as your gateway to expanding your workspace with valuable new contributors. Now, when you click on Invite, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to add. It's really important to double-check that you've typed the email address correctly. Any mistake here can lead to failed invitations or, worse yet, incorrect access being granted. And here's a little tip. If you're looking to invite multiple people at once, you can separate their email addresses with a comma or semicolon, depending on the interface you're using. So, if you're welcoming a whole new team, this makes the process super easy and efficient. You can add everyone in just one go. With the email addresses entered, you're almost there. The next thing you'll want to do is click on the Send Invite button. By doing this, you're initiating the process where ClickUp sends out an invitation directly to the email addresses you provided. The email will typically include a link that allows recipients to join your workspace. Once they receive it, they can follow the instructions in the email to complete the setup on their end and start collaborating effectively with your team. I have a quick tip for you here. If the new users face any issues while accepting the invite, it's a good idea to remind them to check their spam or junk mail folders. Sometimes, invites can inadvertently end up there, or, as I like to say, they can go on a little holiday where they're not supposed to be. This happens more often than you'd expect, so it's always worth advising them to double-check those folders. And just like that, your ClickUp Workspace is now enhanced with new collaborators, all set to take on projects together efficiently. Whether you're bringing on board one person or a whole group, this straightforward process remains both efficient and user-friendly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helps make your team collaboration in ClickUp as smooth and productive as possible. Remember, you're not just adding people, you're paving the way for enhanced teamwork and achieving goals more effectively. Until next time, keep enhancing your productivity and don't hesitate to explore more features that ClickUp has to offer. There's a lot more to discover.